When we hit a third shot drop or a drive, we are not entitled to move forward to the kitchen. We've got to earn our way there. Players moving through transition to the kitchen way too fast. I'm a big advocate of earning your way to the kitchen. You're not entitled to the kitchen. So what I'd like to do is I'll take my markers when I'm working with a new player, and I will cut the transition zone into thirds. Zone 1, Zone 2, and Zone 3. Let's pretend we're hitting a third shot drop. A lot of it has to do with where we hit the shot from. Most of the time, we're only gonna be able to work forward through 2 zones before we need to get set and ready for the 4th shot from our opponent. But with that, we cannot move forward unless we've hit a quality third shot drop that our opponents cannot attack out of the air. If they can attack the ball out of the air, then we've got no business moving forward. We're staying back, playing defense, and waiting for our opportunity to move forward by hitting a good, unattackable third shot drop.